It's all officially here. So we just got official images of Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the regular and Plus variants. And trust me, this is big. The leak came from the reliable EV leaks, and what we're seeing is something that's bound to get you excited. The S25 Ultra comes in a stunning titanium blue color. The front has that smooth premium vibe with thinner bezels, rounded corners, and of course, the iconic S Pen in titanium blue color. There are also two additional colors for the regular and Plus models, a darker blue and a sleek icy blue. Samsung's definitely stepping up its game with this one. But let's talk about what really matters, the specs. And trust me, they're huge. First up, RAM. We're talking 12 gigabytes as the standard across all models. The S25 Ultra takes it up a notch, offering both 12 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes variants. And it's not just about more RAM for the sake of it. This boost is designed for smoother multitasking and AI capabilities. So when you're jumping between apps or running AI-powered tasks, everything should feel quicker and more responsive. But Samsung didn't stop there. They've packed in LPDDR5X memory across the board, which is faster and more energy efficient than the previous generation. And get this, those chips are built using a super advanced 12-nanometer lithography process, so you get top-tier performance without draining your battery life. Here's where it gets interesting. Samsung has actually switched things up and is sourcing memory chips from Micron instead of their own production. Why? Apparently, they were dealing with some overheating issues with their own 12-nanometer chips. Smart move, right? Micron should help keep things running cool and smooth. Now, if you're a performance junkie, you're going to love this. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is already outscoring the S24 Ultra on Geekbench. I'm talking nearly 1,000 points ahead in single-core performance, and over 3,000 more in multi-core performance. That's a noticeable upgrade. As for the design, leaks suggest that Samsung's managed to trim down the bezels even more than we've seen with the likes of Xiaomi and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's all about that sleek modern look, and they're absolutely nailing it. Oh, and if you're looking to get ahead of the curve, Samsung's already accepting registrations for the S25 Ultra. If you sign up before January 21st, there's a $50 credit waiting for you. Plus, you'll be in the running to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card. And if you've got an old device to trade in, you can get up to $900 in credit. In total, you could save up to $1,250 with the pre-order deals. Pretty tempting, right? So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Galaxy S25 hype train? Let me know in the comments below.